to add the well detector. That is only included when the well counter is purchased with the system. It's an optional item, but the well counter is located down here. It is already screwed into the stand. The socket is already deep into the well and is also keyed, just like the probe is. So we got to get our well detector out. And what you need to do is make sure that you see the key, locate that notch, and then slide that into the housing. You'll feel a grab. Once you have that, you can push down, and then you shouldn't be able to spin it at all. So once that's locked in, there will be no spinning of the detector. After that's in place, we want to grab our brass sleeve, unwrap that, and you'll see the notch out into the sleeve. You want to make sure that that goes right where the cable is going out of the well. Once you have that, you'll also feel it stop where it's not going to move, meaning that it's locked into place. Once we have the brass sleeve in there, we can now put on the well lid. The well lid will ship in a separate box, and we'll have all 3 pieces needed for the assembly. Once open, you'll find 3 pieces. This is the top piece that will go on last. This next piece is the top shield that will go on second. Third piece is the shield. It's a little heavy, so you want to be careful when moving that around. You'll have it, you'll see there'll be a cutout on both ends, so it doesn't really necessarily matter which side that you place that. Slide that over the well. Once that's locked into place, we can now put on the lid. This is the top shield. This piece will go on next. Then once you have that in place, your system should come with a well liner. You want to place into the well detector. That protects it from any contamination. So the next part is we're going to put the well liner in the detector. You should locate the well liner inside the shelf. In here, in the shelf, you'll see the liner. It's the shorter one. You also will receive a sample kit. This is our test tubes where you place your wipes into. So the shorter, wider piece is the well liner. You want to fit that into the detector first. And if you could see the comparison of the two, the test tubes will come in a pack of 10. The well liner should only be 1, and you'll see that it's a shorter test tube and will go into the detector. So once we have our liner, we could put it into the detector. Push that down so it's touching all the way. Once that's in place, we can now put on the top shield here, put it on top, and that's the assembly of the well counter.